First, adjust your clip. If you want full tutorial of this edit, then comment down below. Let's start the tutorial. First, go to the overlay and add white background. Rotate it 90 degrees. Now go the mask option and choose film strip. Increase the blur slightly by dragging this arrow towards the right. Perfect! Make its length around 0.8 seconds. Now go the start of the overlay and give a keyframe. Drag the overlay to the left at first keyframe. Then add another keyframe at the last of the clip and move it towards the right side. Let's give it a graph to have a smooth transition. Go to the graph and select Easy in 2. Enjoy, guys, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe.